My fellow South Africans, we need to talk about Bafana. Yes, your other national obsession besides complaining about Eskom and the price of petrol. The 2026 World Cup in America, Mexico, Canada, South Africa is going to be there. You know, the journey, it was a bit like some of us trying to put on a jean pant after a December holiday. Tight, difficult, full of close calls that could have ended in a disaster. But we made it. But let us rather not talk about the docked 3 points for the yellow card oversight. And you know who helped us get the job done? Nigeria. Thank you for finally doing something useful that doesn't involve a prince in an email. The same people who tell us every day their jollof is better, their artists are bigger, their economy is bigger, their women are finer, Afro beats over Amapiano, etc. But Nigeria, today we are your biggest fans because of the spanking you gave Benin. That scoreline was so big, I thought I was looking at my electricity bill. Yeah, and we didn't even have to do the maths wrong this time. We actually qualified. No calculators, no Excel spreadsheets. Remember 2012 at the very same Mbombela Stadium? We were dancing, singing, shit-talking everyone before we realized we did a moerse math mistake. And listen, come 2026, America's not ready for us. They think they've seen noise? Wait till they hear vuvuzelas. You'll see us in Bafana shirts blowing a vuvuzela in Times Square, and someone's going to say, "Is that a tornado warning?" And so, with all this hysteria in South Africa now, I know somewhere 49 South African Afrikaner refugees, some my family, sitting in Texas right now, are fuming. They're like, yeah, this is why I left that country. Too much happiness.